Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So A for apple. Next is B for ball. C for cat, and C for also cup. D for dog, D for dots. E for egg and E for elephant. F for frog, F for fish. G for goat, G for grass. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice, J for jar. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey, M for man. N for nest. O for owl. P for plum, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for uncle, U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel, and